Well, good morning. Today is the day that I finally have been waiting for. I drove 2,000 miles to get here for today, and so I am excited to pick up Mabel. Last night I took half of a sleeping aid so I could get some good rest because I plan to, after the PDI, which is the inspection and walkthrough of Mabel, I plan to leave immediately. But first, I've got to carry the truck a little bit. I mean, this is like 2 weeks worth of stuff that I've got to organize, as well as it's locked right now, but I have all the stuff for camping for Sal to meet me in Denver. So I got to do a little organizing and some grocery shopping this morning. So I'll get to it and talk to you later. So I learned something new. In Wisconsin, you cannot buy alcohol until 8:01. Yep, I was getting supplies for my trip, and nope, she took it right out and said you cannot buy this till 8:01. I said, okay, so I guess that's a state law here, but I guess I didn't need my beer and vodka.